Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, like, everybody's talking about this new palette, everyone's using this new palette, and if you don't know what palette I am talking about, it is the Soft Glam palette recently launched by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you know, I'm pretty sure you've already seen what the palette looks like, or maybe you've even watched a couple of tutorials and reviews, and I'm sure in those videos they slayed that palette. So instead of like a really hard slay, I went for a soft slay. I really wanted this makeup to live up to the name of the palette, Soft Glam. Like, that's exactly what we got going on the face today. It is Soft Glam. There are no harsh lines. And so if you guys are interested in seeing how to create this look today, keep on watching. Let the games begin and let's get started. Okay, so we've already done one eye off camera, so it's definitely time to zoom in and get started on this other eye. So the first shade I'll be taking is called Sienna. I'm gonna go ahead and place Sienna in my crease region. Sienna's gonna serve as my transition shade for this look. I'm also just gonna run Sienna along that lower lash line, making sure to connect the top and the bottom, as always. So now I'll be taking the shade Mulberry. So I'm going to be placing Mulberry in my outer crease region to add some depth here. And I'm slowly going to bring this shade towards my inner corner. I'm also going to pat Mulberry in the center of my lid and blend. So at this point, I'm going to be taking my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade 3, which is dark, and we're just going to go ahead and put this on our lower waterline. I'm also going to take Mulberry along my lower lash line, making sure to connect the top and the bottom. I'm dipping into the shade Noir, so I'm taking this directly underneath my lashes. So now I'm just gonna blend out Noir on my lower lash line so we have a smoother transition between all the shades. We don't really want any harsh lines. It's time to go ahead and take the shade Sultry. So using my finger, I'm just gonna place Sultry down on my lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend right on top. So going in with my brush to intensify Sultry, I've taken a wet brush with that shade, and now I'm just packing this closer to my lash line. If that dog doesn't stop barking. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Sultry for my inner corner highlight. So let's go ahead and add the shade Tempera as well. So I'm just gonna place Tempera in here as an inner corner highlight. Go ahead and blend this guy out. Last but not least, I'll be taking the shade Glistening. I'm gonna go ahead and place Glistening right underneath my brow bone. Okay, so we're basically done with the eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera. And for lashes today, I am taking the Dodo lashes in style D316. So we'll be right back. And we are back with the eyelashes on. So it is time to finish up the rest of this face, and the first thing we are going to do, people, we are gonna bronze. And I am slipping back into my old ways because I am taking that shade Fulani from the Masquerade palette. I know I don't show you guys enough, but that's this is Fulani. We are gonna take the shade Fulani today to go ahead and bronze up the face and just, you know, put some warmth back into this, put some life back in our face. So it is time to go ahead and carve out some cheekbones, because I mean, I have some cheekbones, but we want to just carve them out even more so. So I am taking my Joe Blasco contour shade in the shade Ebony, and let's just chisel all of them out. So now that we have our cheekbones chiseled out, it's definitely time to go ahead and put some color back into our face. And for blush today, you guys, I'm bringing it back with this bad boy here. This is the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and we are taking the shade Neo Hello. You know, I kept it very soft on the eyes, but I don't know. I'm just doing very soft and just glamorous, soft and glamorous. So we're just gonna pop Neo on our cheekbones, on our cheeks, Come on, Neo. Where you at? Where you at, Neo? Yes. Perfect. Everybody, it is that time to glow. It is definitely time. So we're gonna be a little bit extra today. No, we're being very extra. I'm gonna mix my highlights. So I'm gonna take the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're taking my favorite shade, which is bronze, if you guys didn't already know that. We're taking this shade first, because we got another shade after. So now to just really pop, I mean, the highlight is popping, but just to like pop it even more so, I am taking the Amrizi highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Hi, hello. This stuff is just stunning. Stunning. So I'm just gonna take this and put it right in the center. Whenever I double up on my highlights, like when I layer them, I always put the lighter shade and I keep it right here, just right there, to pop out right there. That's it. And then I'll just blend. For all of my people who love to just like blind people, this is the way to go. This is the way to go. This is a good blind. Good blind. Good blind. So now to go ahead and just finish highlighting the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take bronze on my Cupid's bow, on the tip of my nose, and in the bridge. Ooh, this would be really cute, right? Or this blue, because it's like, maybe this is too much. Alright guys, so for lips today, I'm gonna give you guys two options because I was feeling, this is how I was feeling for the lips. I was feeling either this really bold color, which is the new color Nocturnal from ABH, and then, hello, what is this called? Flower Bomb? What is this? What is this? Gloss Bomb. And then the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. That's just like, do you want to go natural and glossy or matte and bold? Because, you know, we did like soft. We had like soft glam going. So it could go either way. I was feeling both ways. So I'm going to do Nocturnal first and show you guys what the bold matte color looks like. So this is the shade Nocturnal, and I have to say it looks pretty cool, guys. It looks pretty rad, but I know some of you might not rock the blue and the matte, so I'm gonna show you what the glossy looks like. So now for the gloss, I probably should have started with the gloss first. I didn't think that through. This is my favorite gloss, by the way, you guys. Hands down, I love this. I used to like be really obsessed with the NYX butter gloss ginger snap, but this has just taken over. So so that's what it looks like with the gloss. Hello, hi, how you doing? Typical soft on the eyes, soft on the lips, very glowy skin. I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu facial spray, the lavender one, and we're just gonna spray everything. This stuff smells so good. So good. Alright you guys, so this wraps up today's look. I do want to give you guys a couple of thoughts that I had on this palette. So while I was doing my makeup today, I did realize that this palette is pigmented. Check mark. Palette blends the colors. The colors in this palette blend very well and they work well together. Another check. I did take note that there was a lot more kickback than what I am used to. So when I'm working with my Huda palettes or my Juvia's Place palettes, I don't get as much kickback. But miraculously enough, with all this kickback, I experienced zero fallout. Like zip, nada, zilch. There was no fallout. I'm not complaining, I'm just confused. Happily confused though. It's a happy confusion. But I want to thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. If you enjoyed today's look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video, drop some comments down below. I want to know from you guys, which lip choice did you like? Which one? I, for one, if you guys know me, I, for one, obviously liked the bold matte look. The shade Nocturnal really was giving me life. Like, I really did enjoy that color. But, you know, I got a pair. This look was something nude and glossy too, for all my neutral babes out there. For all of you that are still here with me, you are still here, you are still watching, but you are not yet a subscriber. Shame on you. Shame. But it's okay, because I'm gonna invite you now to go ahead and click that subscribe button, join the family, let us be friends, let's connect, you guys. For all of my pre-existing subscribers, I want to thank you guys with all my heart. Thank you for all the love and support that you guys continue to show me. I'm gonna invite you to click that bell button if you haven't already done so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. I don't want you guys to miss any of the slayage that will be taking place. Anyone that wants to see me, I don't know, somewhere else other than YouTube, I am on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I will be leaving all the links down below in my description box as always. But that is pretty much it for today's look today. I do think that this palette is going to be a very loved palette in the makeup community. I think that if you are in love with your neutrals or in need of a good neutral palette, I think this would be a great fit. And yeah, I think I can see myself reaching for this palette on a regular for my neutrals, because I really do like the way that this blend happened. Yeah, we're liking it, we're liking it. So, but that is all that I have for you guys today. I will see you beautiful and amazing people in my next video. Bye, you guys.